Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by acting now. Swap to a low tracking litter and position a barrier mat 1-2 feet outside the box so debris falls off before it reaches floors. You trim fur and nails because less loose hair means less material to carry. Once done, set the box on an easy-to-clean surface. Make sure to place mats on both sides if pets hop out. You'll reduce the source and capture what escapes. That's the practical how and why behind preventing litter trails. Now build the containment routine. Install a coarse grate mat immediately outside the box to knock off granules, followed by a soft mat that traps remaining dust and moisture. You should train yourself to do a quick 30-60 second paw wipe when the cat exits. Keep disposable or washable wipes handy so you actually use them. Once done, run a handheld vacuum or quick sweep each day. This prevents accumulation and stops small amounts from migrating through. Finish by checking for weak points. Inspect mats, thresholds, and any carpet edges where granules sneak through. You should wash or rotate mats weekly to restore grip and replace them every 3-6 months because worn fibers lose capture ability. If tracking persists after these steps, switch litter type or test an enclosed box. Different pets respond differently. One troubleshooting tip: if you still see trails, isolate one variable at a time, change the mat. Then wait a week to identify the real cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.